All right, this video is going to be kind of a smorgasbord of random different things that we can do with spreadsheets. So we're going to call this merges, grids, and hyperlinks. All right, so we're going to start with merges. So merging just means that you're squishing two cells together, basically. So if you look at the My Fleet tab, you can see My Fleet is in one cell, but it's under both M and N. So in order to do that, we're going to use the merge button. So we can go ahead and go to enemy fleet, and I've already typed in My Fleet here, and then I will click. Then what I'll do is I'll highlight both of the cells, both M1 and N1, and then I can click on this button here, which is the merge cell button, and that is going to merge the two cells together. Now it's important to know that any information, any data in the other cell will go away. So in the cell to the right, it'll only keep what's in the top left cell that you're trying to merge. So I can highlight both of these, and when I try to merge, it's going to say, "Are you sure you want to do that?" I say, "Okay." You can see the hello disappeared, but My Fleet moved to the center. And again, I can center that and center it. There we go. It's all centered. All right, so that is that part. The next piece is going to be grids. So how do we put in grid lines? Over on our actual board, we want to put in some grid lines. So I'm going to highlight from A1 to J10. And then right up here, you'll see the borders. I can click on the borders, and there's a lot of different border options. In my case, I want to do all of them. I want to do all the lines, so I click on this, and it's going to give me all the grid lines that I need. There's different combinations that you can do, so you don't necessarily have to always highlight all of them. I could do all the vertical lines if I wanted, or all the horizontal lines if I wanted. But in this case, I'm doing all of them, so I'll click on that. You can also change the color of the border if you want, and the thickness of the border. So there's that. And the final thing we're going to show you is, and really this works on all Google programs, and actually pretty much all programs. It'll work on Word and Pages, I believe, as well, is inserting a hyperlink, so a link to a web page. So perhaps I wanted to give credit to the wiki page for this information. Right underneath here, I'm going to type source, and then I just press enter to enter that in. But then I click on it again, and I can, now there's a couple ways. I can right click and I can go to insert link, or I can go up here to insert and insert link, or I can use the shortcut, which again you can see here. The shortcut for inserting a link is Command K. I can tell you when I learned Command K, it completely changed how I interacted with Google Docs in general. I now put links to everything in there, so it makes it really easy. So again, I click on this cell, press Command K. I got to go get the link that I want to copy, Command C. Got that link. Go back over here, sorry, Command K, Command V, and then click Apply. Now another interesting thing is you can link to particular sheets in the spreadsheets or a range of cells if you want to be able to reference a part of the spreadsheet somewhere else or on one of the different pages. It's a quick way to get there. So I press Command V and I click Apply, and now if I was to click on this, I would go directly to the wiki page. So that is how that's how merges, grids, and hyperlinks work.